Hello kids, let's visit the magical farm and meet all the animals. I am the cow. I love munching grass and saying moo, moo. Did you know that cows have 4 tummies? Cows can also recognize faces and they can sleep while standing. I am the sheep. I love to say ba, ba. I have soft, fluffy wool and some of your jumpers are made out of them. Do you know that sheep have no upper teeth? Bak bak! Hello, I am the chicken. I love picking at the ground looking for seeds and I say cluck cluck. Chickens have excellent memory and they can also dream. Chickens love to take dust baths. Hello, I'm the pig. I love to roll in the mud and oink 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 all day long. Pigs have a great sense of smell. Pigs don't sweat and cool themselves by rolling in the mud.
Hello there, friends. I'm the horse. I love to gallop all day and say neigh.
Did you know that horses can sleep while standing? They can also communicate with their ears. I'm the duck. I love splashing in the pond all day and saying quack quack. Ducks have waterproof feathers. Ducks have excellent vision and they are very good at swimming. Hello, I'm the goat. I love climbing rocks and saying ma, ma. Goats have 4 stomachs and also baby goats are called kids. Goats have very good sense of smell. I'm the rabbit. I love to hop around and nibble on carrots. Rabbits cannot vomit. Rabbits are excellent jumpers. Rabbits' teeth never stop growing. So they need to have plenty of hay and grass to chew on to wear them down. I'm the dog. I love running around and I say woof woof. Dogs are extremely loyal and can smell your feelings. Did you know that a dog's nose is its fingerprint? Great job! You met all the farm animals today. Horse, pig, cow, sheep, and more. Don't forget to subscribe so you can visit the magical farm again and meet even more animal friends. See you next time!